In today's video, I'm going to teach you Manage Shopify User Permissions, Shopify Tutorial. Let's keep your store secure while still letting your team do great work. The idea here is simple. Give each person just the access they need and nothing more. Start by opening your Shopify admin. Head to Settings, then select Users and Permissions. This is your control center for who can do what. You'll see a list of staff accounts. Click on any team member's name to review their current access and make updates. Think of this page as a checklist that defines their day-to-day capabilities. Shopify makes these controls very granular, which is exactly what you want. For example, say your assistant only needs to update product descriptions and images. Turn on access to products and leave areas like finances and settings unchecked. That single choice prevents them from seeing payouts, taxes, and reports. And it also keeps them from changing your billing method or altering store-wide configurations. It's a clean separation of duties that protects your most sensitive data while keeping product work moving smoothly. You can also restrict access by physical location. This is perfect for teams spread across warehouses or retail outlets. If a staff member only works from your East Coast warehouse, assign them to that location and nothing else. With this in place, they won't be able to view or fulfill orders from your other locations. It reduces noise in their workflow and prevents accidental changes to inventory or orders outside their scope. If their role spans multiple locations, add just the ones that apply and leave the rest off. When your selections look right, hit Save. Permissions update instantly, so the change is effective right away. If your team member doesn't see the update, ask them to refresh their browser. And remember, you can come back to this page anytime. As roles evolve, maybe someone takes on refunds, fulfillment, or analytics. You can carefully expand their access without opening up areas they don't need. A good rule of thumb is least privilege. Start small and add permissions as responsibilities grow. That's all it takes. You've now set clear boundaries that protect your financials and store settings, while letting your team focus on the work they were hired to do. Secure access, total peace of mind. Your store is now built for a professional team.